Okay, the show is over, and this is how everything turned out. The Challenger that I was building with everybody together, she got a silver, so that's not too bad. I'll take a silver. Another one that I had done before, put in, and pretty much put it in the wrong class. It did get a bronze. This one here I put in, the old Cuda digger, she didn't get nothing, but I think I had to put it on the table too far away from where everybody sits, so you couldn't see the, I don't know if it'll do that color shift for you or not. Yeah, it does a little bit. It goes green, purple, green, purple. Too far away though, like this, it just looks purple. So I think that's what happened there. It's a shame too, because that was kind of cool looking car. And this is the one I was building at the same time as the Challenger. And nothing got done there, but yeah, the paint on here was okay, but not perfect. Anyways, it was a good show, and I'll have to see. I got different clips that I made. I didn't want to include people if I could help it. I'll put them out here so everybody can see it. I'm putting this at the start of the video so that you can watch the clips as you feel like watching them. If you enjoyed what I was doing here, please subscribe, at least give a thumbs up. And if you know somebody that might like this thing, share it with them so that they get their chance to watch it. And it's still winter, so I might do another one of these. Thank you everybody for watching. And goodbye. Wow, totally amazing. Somebody built all those cars and the semis. Holy moly. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Crazy, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Just amazing.
Like the first batch, I think
Rod's Customs 49 and older. Does that car look familiar? How about that, man? These are all the curb sides. Beautiful.
That's what she uses for placing her diamond dots. I was like, so I got.
Hey, Bill. Thanks, bud.
It is what? No, it ain't. Yeah, it is.
The automotive model, we're trash.
This show chair one job.
Yeah, so I got you.
Excuse me, guys.
Sure.
What's that? I didn't hear it.
Where's yours, Joe?
I just had that 9-volt you bought me in St. Ignace from the East. Took a shit, so I had to run out last night to CVS and get another one. So I got a.
Yeah, two of them.
Straight off parts on the
Right. Buying a bulk.
Put it in box stock, just like that. Well, you didn't say it had to be bolt, that's box stock.
There'll be any more box stock than that.
Yeah, we gotta find that.
I think I would have advised against the way there. You're not putting that out.
big of our one and saying, look, somebody's slacking because I had the bad GPS, so there's clearly a big problem. You're right. We made a big point of it, right? By going in and say, okay, now that you know about it, fix it. That's what I say. Well, good to see you.
Yep, same here. So hopefully we'll be back. That should be.
Oh, wow. Well, you'll be back, right? I love all the rigs. Oh, I like a good rigs.
See, the cool thing for this kit is everything closes. So once I get it, close it down, and it's only panel like that.
So I don't mind doing black.
I got it down pretty good where I'm pretty good with it. I actually don't mind with the black in here. I mean, I don't mind doing it there, so it's just I got to go there.
Okay, that one didn't come across that one. Did you get videos of that one as well, or?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, because I made the back, I made I made that a paper mache. Cool toy. So
I didn't dig that deep on the channel.
I know, a lot of them
I
are
think I seen
cool.
that one last year, and that's a new one for sure.
It is, yes.
Look at that.
This was here,
Yes, this
I don't
one and
know
that
if
one I remember.
them
both.
two.
Yep.
but I don't know if
I've
this
seen
one
the
is or
pictures
not.
in my. No, that one isn't. I took a picture of that one again.
Another little notification here, please check, you got your tickets, check the TV back there. And we may be setting the judges meeting back and judging back a little bit because this is
Paint job on this is intense. Just beautiful. Same character? No. God, look at the paint job on this. This isn't far off.
I know. You done with the McDonald's?
Yes.
C or yeah, AMC Javelin or yeah, close up to this page.
Look at these.
These here, I thought I remembered from last year. I probably still got the pictures. They're nice too. You know, Dallas, they've got some semi-tractors. They've got some trucks like those over there. But I don't know if they've got the
Oh, for
carrier,
sale?
But yeah, the actual cars or the trucks. I mean, you know, the trucks themselves.
He made them both. Same guy. Look at the
Oh
handwriting.
yeah, I would imagine. Get them as a pair, yeah.
Yep.
Well, I mean, that era.
with camel.
It just so happened the week before we had a guy he retired, and so him and this one supervisor, he says, I gotta retire. Why? He says, because I'm gonna kill my supervisor. So this guy got hired over him, and the guy had no
Figures
I hate to say that, but you can take it into consideration.
No, that's fine.
What the heck?
You can see the American squad.
If he's got it listed, I'll be on one.
Excuse me.
Walked out of registration with their registration belong form, and they also then obviously have your table tags. Unfortunately, the full page of your full page registration, your name and all that good stuff, please return it.